Nowadays, everyone has an idea and wants to contribute to the world. The population of the world is dominated by the population of youth. There was once an era of the job, but nowadays the youth wants to own their own space in the world, and business comes as a solution to the problem the world is facing. By this way, the youth can contribute to the world by filling the gaps with their solutions. Hello everyone and welcome to Digital Entrepreneur, where we'll discuss digital marketing, business, finance and entrepreneurship. Till now, you would have got an idea about what we are going to talk about in today's video. Yes, you guessed it right. It's something about business. Not just something about business, we are going to share a proper structure of starting a business. So, if you are someone who wants to become an entrepreneur and understand the requirements of your customers, but don't know how to start a business, then this video is definitely for you. Before we begin this video, do not forget to subscribe to this channel because this is not the only one. We are going to bring a lot more informational and helpful content for you. If you want to know how you can survive for long in the market with your business model, make sure to watch this video till the end. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. The first thing in your business is your authenticity. Whatever product you are giving your customers, do not offer something that already exists in the market. Therefore, it is very important to know the needs of your customer so that you can provide them with exactly what they want. For instance, if you are in a place where only non-vegetarian food is available and people who like vegetarian food have to go to some other places to eat vegetarian. So you can open a food court where only vegetarian food is available. If you are thinking about starting a business and you think your business model is worth presenting, then you will have to prepare everything in advance. Like a business model, how much you will invest in a business, how much you will spend on marketing and everything. And also don't forget to have a clear idea of how much revenue you are going to generate from your business. Whenever a product is launched in the market, it is not always suitable for everyone. Like bangles. Though anyone can wear a bangle, when someone creates a bangle, they have female as their target audience. Therefore, make sure you know your target audience, their age group, sex and whatever seems to be required. You know your product is great, but how will you tell the world that you have created something unique and useful for them? Once you know your target audience, start promoting your product. There are two ways to promote your product. One is traditional, the other one is digital. Traditional ways to promote your product is like giving advertisement in newspaper, television and in the form of pamphlets. And nowadays digital platforms like social media are the right platforms to promote your product because you can find every niche of audience online who might show some keen interest in your product. Do your research and find out the right time that the society or your customers are in utter need of your product. If you launch a product or services late, then it might not do well and your business could face a loss. Many businesses who introduce their product on the market do not focus on the margin of their product. You have to launch a product with a margin that can bring you to profit after recovering the production, transportation and other costs. You have to run a business and this is the only source of income. Therefore, you'll have to generate a margin that could enable you to make a living and also invest in your business. People who are new to the world of business keep on running behind new clients. They do all their effort in bringing in new clients and forget about their already existing clients. And this behavior can be harmful to any business model. Hence, it is advised to keep an eye on bringing in new clients and also to keep a firm hold of your long-term clients. Keep a detailed account of your earnings. Keep a proper track of your payments done online and also have some cash in hand to take your business forward. Always ask for advance payment for your services so that you can run a business by making all the payments in time. If you have started a business, obviously you want to sustain it forever. The only way to sustain your business forever is to spread it. You will have to start a business locally and you can grow it by taking your business to other areas and a vast audience by using all these tactics we have discussed earlier in this video. The ultimate step to grow your business is to keep on improving your product or your services. And the best way to improve the quality of your product is by taking account of the customer's feedback. The customers who are giving their valuable feedbacks are the ones who actually wants to see you grow. Therefore, never take your customers for granted and offer them services that can make them stay. And here we come to the end of the video and hope it was useful to you. And before you leave, do tell us the step that you found really helpful to start your business. If you like this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are giving a thought to start their business. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.